Hello, welcome to my GIMP video tutorial series. In this video I will show you the GIMP Cage Transform. So what is GIMP Cage Transform? GIMP Cage Transform is a tool that you can transform based on where cage you put on an image. So in this video I will teach you how to use the GIMP Cage Transform. Click the Fill the original position of the cage with a color. This will fill color in empty spaces as you make transformations. The fill color will be corresponds to the first click of creating the cage. So my fill color will be brown. This will be only used if your background image is actual image, like it's not literal white background. This tool will not be used if your image is literally white and transparent. To use the Cage Transform, click the edges of an image, then another click, and so on and so forth. Then point it to the first point you put. After that you can now deform the cage to deform the image by dragging the point of the cage to deform the certain part of the image. This tool is used to transform the image. Examples like making the person's eyes bigger, making a person's sad face into smiley face, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much of it on how to use the GIMP Cage Transform. If you want to watch another video related, or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. And thank you for watching this video tutorial, and have a good day.